हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कल हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.2 के एग्जाम्पल नंबर 6 देखा था। आज हम शुरू करेंगे एग्जाम्पल नंबर 7। सी एग्जाम्पल, रीड इट केयरफुली फर्स्ट। द 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find 41th term of that AP. Given data, T11 is equal to 16, T21 is equal to 29. We know the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. For T11 is equal to 16, if we put the value of T11 in this formula, we get A plus 11 minus 1 into D is equal to 16. Here A and D are unknowns. Therefore, the second equation is A plus 10D is equal to 16. Now, for T21 is equal to 29. Similarly, A plus 21 minus 1 into D is equal to 29. From this formula, we get the third equation, A plus 20D is equal to 29. If we solve equation number 2 and equation number 3, as a simultaneous equation, see, equation number 2 and equation number 3, coefficient of A and coefficient of A are equals and sign are same. Therefore, subtraction is there. By subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, equation 3 पहले ले लिया, बाद में equation 2, subtraction करना है, साइन चेंज होंगे, साइन चेंज करवा दिए, प्लस का माइनस, प्लस माइनस, प्लस minus. A get cancel. 20 minus 10. 10D is equal to 29 minus 16. 13. D is equal to 13 divided by 10. 13 by 10 is 1.3. We get here D is equal to 1.3. Put this value in equation 2 or 3. If we put this value in equation 2, we get A plus 10 into 1.3 is equal to 16. It means A plus 13 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 13, 3. यहाँ हमें A की वैल्यू मिल गई 3 और D की वैल्यू मिल गई 1.3. इससे हम T41 आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं by using the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put the formula. T41 is equal to A is nothing but 3 plus n is nothing but 41 minus 1 into D 1.3. After calculating, we get 3 plus 40 into 1.3, 3 plus 52. T41 is equal to 55. And therefore, 41th term of an AP is equal to 55. Next example, 11, 8, 5, 2. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? Minus 151 ये नंबर कौन से टर्म पे आता है? एक टर्म हमें निकालनी है. For given A is equal to 11, D is equal to common difference 8 minus 11 minus 3. And last term Tn is equal to minus 151. यहाँ हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है n. As usual, use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Putting above values in this equation, we get Tn की वैल्यू है minus 151 is equal to 11 plus n unknown है n minus 1 into D की वैल्यू है minus 3. Calculation minus 151 minus 11 is equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. Minus 162 is equal to minus 3 n minus 1. n minus 1 is nothing but minus 162 by minus 3. माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा और हमें मिलेगा n minus 1 is equal to 54. 3 माइनस है, 162 भी माइनस है, माइनस माइनस गेट कैंसल एंड वी गेट n minus 1 is equal to 55. n is equal to 54 plus 51, it is 55, and therefore number 151 is 55th term. See next example. In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? How many numbers are divisible by 4? The natural numbers from 10 to 250 divisible by 4 are. हमें ये नंबर लिखने हैं. शुरुआत करते हैं. पहला नंबर यहाँ है 10, लेकिन it is not divisible by 4. 11 not divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 4. So first term 12, second term 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20 dot dot. Last यहाँ 250 दिया है, लेकिन 250 is not divisible by 4. Similarly 249 is also not divisible by 4, but 248 is divisible by 4. Therefore our last term is 248. These numbers form an AP for which first term A is equal to 12, common difference B is equal to 4, and last term Tn is equal to 248. यहाँ हमें n की वैल्यू निकालनी है. Use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn 248, A 12, n minus 1 as it is, D 4. After calculation we get 248 minus 12 is equal to 4 into n minus 1. 4 into n minus 1 is equal to 236. n minus 1 is equal to 236 by 4. 4 5s are 4 9s are. n minus 1 is equal to 59 minus 1 here plus 1, and we get n is equal to 59 plus 1 is 60. Therefore there are 60 natural numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4. Next example. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference. Read question carefully. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find common difference. D की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. फॉर्मूला Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. First we can find T17. T17 is equal to A plus 17 minus 1 into D. यहाँ A अननोन है, D भी अननोन है, इसलिए T17 is equal to A plus 16D. Similarly for 10, T10 is equal to A plus 9D. n और यहाँ की वैल्यू, इसमें रिलेशन देखिए, यहाँ की वैल्यू इससे प्लस 1 होती है और यहाँ की वैल्यू इससे माइनस 1 होती है, इसीलिए T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 9D. इसलिए डायरेक्टली हम लिख सकते हैं T10 is equal to A plus 9D. Now from given condition, हमें कंडीशन दी है in an AP 17th term यानी T17 is equal to 7 more than plus 7 10th term T10. It means we get equation T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. Put the values. A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. A and A get cancelled. We get 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. Obviously 7D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 by 7 1. This is the answer because the question is find the common difference. Common difference always denoted by D. Therefore, common difference is equal to 1 is the final answer.